Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error. Sorry, installation failed. We are unable to install Adobe After Effects. This time error code 182. If you get this error in your After Effects, watch the full video till the end.
I am Vikas and you are watching VFX Vikas. Before starting this video, like this video and subscribe to my channel.
So now first of all what you need to do is click on quit and disconnect your internet connection. After doing this, go to that location where is your After Effects setup and go to back in the folder. Then copy the whole folder to your desktop, right click on it, select copy and then go to desktop, right click on this area, select paste. After pasting this file, you will need a software to make it zip. If you haven't installed WinRAR in your Windows, go and install it. And right click on your folder, select add to archive and here choose zip and click on OK. After creating the zip file, delete this setup file and right click on your zip file, select extract files and here choose desktop and click on OK. After extracting the file, open that extracted folder, then right click on the setup, select run as administrator, then choose yes, then click on continue. As you can see that after doing these steps, my After Effects is installing on my Windows 10. So hope you guys like this video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit the bell icon. If you have any query or question, comment down below.